Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, maximum and minimum of every 3. The program starts by declaring variables and including necessary libraries, stdio.h and stdlib.h. It enters the main function. Reads an integer n from the user, representing the number of integers to be processed. Declares an array ARR of size n to store the input integers. A for loop is used to read n integers from the user and store them in the array ARR. A while loop is used to repeatedly process the array until only one element remains, n greater than 1. Two arrays, max array and min array, are declared to store maximum and minimum values in each iteration. A for loop is used to find the maximum of every 3 consecutive integers in the array. The maximum values are stored in the max array. Another for loop is used to find the minimum of every 3 consecutive maximum values. The minimum values are stored in the min array or back in the original array if needed. The values in ARR are updated with the minimum values obtained. The size of the array ARR is updated, n equals min index. After the loop, the program prints the remaining single element in the array, ARR to 0, which is the final result according to the problem statement. Next will the solution in Python. N equals int, input, reads an integer n from the user, representing the number of integers to be processed. ARR equals list, map, int, input, dot split, reads a space-separated list of integers from the user and converts it into a list of integers named ARR. Processing loop. While n greater than 1, starts a loop that continues until n is reduced to 1. Max_array equals, max, ARR, I plus 3, for I in range, 0, n, 3, creates a list max_array where each element is the maximum value of every 3 consecutive elements in ARR. Min_array equals, min, max_array, I plus 3, for I in range, 0, len, max_array, 3, creates a list min_array where each element is the minimum value of every 3 consecutive elements in max_array. Checks if the length of min_array is less than n//3 plus n%3 to 1. If true, updates the first len, min_array, elements of ARR with the values from min_array, and updates n to be the length of min_array. If false, updates the first n//3 plus n%3 to 1 elements of ARR with the values from min_array, and updates n accordingly. Output. Print, ARR to 0, prints the first element of the array ARR, which is the final result according to the problem statement. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.